Donald Trump. The grand jury found President Donald Trump guilty on all 34 counts of falsifying business records. Donald Trump became the first former U.S. president to be convicted by a grand jury in New York found him guilty on 34 counts of felony charges. The campaign said no one is above the law, while Trump said the verdict is a result of a rigged political system. Trump's sentencing is scheduled for July 11, 4 days before the Republican National Convention, where he will be formally nominated as the party's presidential candidate against incumbent Joe Biden in the coming elections. This was a disgrace. This was a rigged trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt. It's a rigged trial, a disgrace. They wouldn't give us a venue change. We were at 5% or 6% in this district, in this area. This was a rigged, disgraceful trial, said Trump after the verdict. Can a convicted felon run for president? The answer unequivocally is yes, he can. The U.S. Constitution sets 3 prerequisites for presidential candidates: natural-born citizenship, being at least 35 years old, and having at least 14 years of U.S. residency, all of which Trump qualifies. For the first time in United States history, any former U.S. president has been convicted of any crime. Former President Donald Trump was convicted on falsifying business records in a hush money payment to Stormy Danielson. It's adding a new chapter in our legal textbooks. It's adding a new point in our American history for things that we will be discussing for future generations. But this is an unprecedented case. So, for the former president, the judge could do a variety of things. He could go to jail. He could do weekends in jail. He could do community service. He could do stay-at-home kind of probation, or a stay-at-home conviction. Governor Glenn Youngkin called it a politically motivated prosecution orchestrated by those who want to get President Trump. Attorney General Jason Miyares also made a statement saying, in part, "In America, we don't seek to jail political opponents, we seek to defeat them at the ballot box."